Hello everyone, we are going to walk you through on how to install and set up your Podio Action Automation for workflow apps in your account. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install and select the account in which you want your app to be installed. Select your account and click on Continue. Click on Allow and Install. Then your custom menu link is going to pop up. You're going to copy your custom menu link, head over back to your account, click on Settings. Under Settings, you're going to scroll down and click on Custom Menu Links. Click on Create and select an icon. You're going to enter the link name, scroll down and paste your custom menu link. Scroll down and select your account. Need, search for your app. Need. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to the documentation, and we equally have the tutorials where you're going to have access to the Smart Queue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to connect and set up, on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you on how to set up the app. Under the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect your app. First thing, you're going to copy your redirect URL, copy, and then you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on your profile icon, click on Account Settings, click on API Key, and here you're going to enter your application name. And here you're going to paste your redirect URL, or you can paste your domain. Once you're done, click on Generate API Key. Then our key has been created. So we are going to copy our client ID, head over back to your account, click on Start, enter your client ID, head over back to your account, copy your client secret, go back to your account, and paste. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. Then the sign-in page is going to pop up where you have to enter your email and your password in order to verify your identity. We're going to go back to our account, and here we notice that our app has been connected. We equally have the support center. At the name of the support center, you can create a support ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates and the changes of the app. In order to receive these notifications, you're going to turn on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, you can contact our support team. Our support team are all available 24/7 to give you the necessary help that you need. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.